Most people think investing is a way to get rich quick. They still don't get it. It is about keeping wealth. This is what everyone gets wrong about the global stock market. They think it is a casino for lucky and rich gamblers. In reality, the biggest risk is not taking any risk today. Holding only cash is a guaranteed way to lose your wealth. Welcome to Marke Investing, where we focus on real financial facts. Let us debunk the common myths that keep you very poor. You do not need to predict the future to be successful. You only need a plan that you can actually follow. Most investors chase the latest hot stocks and lose everything fast. We will do the exact opposite to ensure your long-term win. Stop listening to the fake gurus on your social media feeds. Their advice is designed to sell products, not grow your money. Investing is actually simple, but the industry makes it look hard. I will show you the path to true financial independence now. We are starting a journey toward a much better financial future. Get ready to change the way you think about your money. This is Investing 101, the Marke Investing way, for everyone watching. Let us dive into the core principles of building real wealth. A stock is a small piece of a real-world business. You are buying the future earnings of these productive global firms. Equity prices move up and down in the short term. This volatility is the price for higher long-term gains. Bonds are loans you give to governments or large companies. They provide safety and regular interest payments for your total portfolio. A balanced portfolio uses both stocks and bonds for maximum efficiency. This mix helps you survive the inevitable and scary market crashes. Do not put all your money into just one single company. Diversification is the only way to protect your hard-earned capital. Own the entire market instead of trying to find one winner. This strategy reduces your risk while capturing all global growth. Real wealth is built by owning productive assets over many years. Avoid speculative assets that have no internal or real value today. Understanding the difference between price and value is very important. Price is what you pay, but value is what you get. We focus on long-term value creation rather than short-term price moves. This mindset is what separates the winners from the losers. Your asset allocation is the most important decision you will make. Choose a mix that fits your goals and your life situation. The market is very good at pricing all available public news. Millions of smart people are trading against you every single day. Trying to outsmart the collective wisdom of the market is hard. Most professionals fail to beat the simple market index every year. This is why we use low-cost index funds for our core. We accept the market return and avoid the high management fees. Passive investing is not about being lazy, it is being smart. You win by doing less and staying in the game longer. Market cap weighting is a logical way to organize your portfolio. You own more of the companies that the market values most. Do not let your emotions dictate when you buy or sell. The best time to invest was yesterday. The next is today. News headlines are designed to make you act on your fear. A successful investor learns to ignore the constant and loud noise. The global economy has always grown over long periods of time. Bet on human ingenuity and the progress of our entire species. You do not need to be a genius to do well. You just need to be more disciplined than the average person. Let the compounding machine work for you while you sleep soundly. Your future self will thank you for being so very patient. High fees will eat a massive hole in your final portfolio. Even a small 1% fee can ruin your retirement plans. Wall Street makes money when you trade your assets very often. You make money when you buy and hold them forever instead. Always check the expense ratio of every fund you buy now. Lower fees mean more money stays in your own pocket daily. Index funds are the most cost-effective way to invest your money. They provide broad exposure for a very tiny and fair price. Taxes are another major cost that most people often totally ignore. Use tax-advantaged accounts to keep more of your investment gains. Be a skeptical consumer of all financial products and services today. If it sounds too complex, it is probably just too expensive. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication in the world of modern finance. A simple plan is easier to maintain and much cheaper too. Your goal is to maximize your net return after all costs. Keep your expenses low and your patience very high at all. Automation can help you avoid making many expensive human mistakes. Set up your contributions and let the system run itself now. Wealth is what you keep, not just what you earn today. Focus on the costs you can control for the best results. You do not need a lot of money to start investing. Modern brokers allow you to buy very small, fractional shares easily. Start with whatever amount you can afford to lose right now. The habit of investing is more important than the actual amount. Set up an automatic transfer from your bank account today. Treat your investments like a bill that you must pay first. Increasing your savings rate is the fastest way to build wealth. Even a small extra amount can make a huge difference later. Focus on your career and your ability to earn more money. Your income is the fuel for your total investment wealth engine. Do not wait for the perfect time to enter the market. Perfection is the enemy of progress in your financial life journey. Use all-in-one ETFs to simplify your entire investment process right now. They provide a complete global portfolio in one single ticker. These funds are perfect for beginners and experienced investors alike today. They handle the rebalancing and the asset allocation for you automatically. Trust the process and do not look at your balance daily. Investing is a marathon that takes many decades to finish well. Your journey to financial freedom begins with one small step today. Marke Investing is here to guide you every step of the way. Your brain is your greatest asset, but also your biggest threat. Evolution has programmed us to fear any loss of our resources. When prices fall, your instinct is to sell and run away. You must train yourself to do the exact opposite to win. Market crashes are actually opportunities to buy assets at a discount. Wealthy people look forward to these rare and temporary sales events. Stay humble and realize that you cannot control the entire market. Focus on your own behavior and your own long-term goals. Success in investing is 10% math and 90% temperament. If you can stay calm, you will beat most other people. Avoid the temptation to follow the latest and popular investment trends. Bubbles always pop and leave late investors with nothing at all. Comparison is the thief of joy and also of your wealth. Focus on your own path and ignore what others are doing. Discipline is the ability to stick to a plan when hard. It is the bridge between your goals and your actual success. Build a mindset of abundance instead of a mindset of scarcity. There is plenty of wealth for those who are very patient. Financial peace is about having control over your own time daily. Money is just the tool that helps you achieve that freedom. Always build a strong emergency fund before you start to invest. This cash buffer protects you from life's many unexpected, expensive events. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in a safe place. You never want to be forced to sell your stocks low. Insurance is also a vital part of a complete financial plan. Protect your health and your ability to earn an income daily. Pay off your high-interest debt as fast as you possibly can. Credit card interest is a guaranteed negative return on your money. Once your foundation is solid, you can take risks in markets. Security allows you to be a much better and calmer investor. Review your insurance coverage at least once every single year today. Make sure your family is protected from any major financial disasters. Your financial plan should be written down and kept very safe. A written plan is much harder to break during a crisis. Stay flexible and be ready to adjust your plan as needed. Life will change, and your strategy must be able to adapt. Be responsible with your spending and live below your means always. Frugality is the foundation upon which all great wealth is built. I'm Mark from Marke Investing. See you in the next one. Stay smart, stay invested, and keep growing your wealth always.